Welcome to Kayak on the Bay. We're situated on the east coast of St. Lucia. The bay is surrounded by reefs, hence the reason that there's no waves coming into the bay, which makes it very easy to run an ecotourism excursion within the bay. So I saw this opportunity, so I grabbed it.
Welcome to another episode of Loop Adventures in St. Lucia. I'm your host Sharine, and today we're at the forgotten district of Praslin. Where exactly is Praslin located, you may ask?
Praslin is a traditional fishing village located between the communities of Dennery and Monrepo. But you may ask us, what are we doing in Praslin?
Today we're doing the kayak on the bay, so we'll be kayaking to the Praslin Island. So stay tuned for more action. This episode is sponsored by Blue Media Prints, the branding hub. Get immediate feedback from your clientele with Blue Media Prints Review Smart Cards. These customizable cards cater to various platforms from Google or TripAdvisor. Order yours now for swift reviews. Available at Blue Media Prints.
Bruh, you don't think you need a bigger vest for her? I asked.
Looking around. That's not a good sign, eh?
So, this is our launching pad. We'll place the kayak on it.
Okay.
And push you into the water. The first place we'll be going is towards the closest sticks right there, which is the sandbar, which goes up towards the island for almost half a mile.
Has been fun so far. I'm loving it, although it's giving me some muscles in my arms.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Cherick is handling my kayak while I'm lounging around here. You know, just being a lady and stuff.
This part not the nicest part. Try carrying a kayak for two and your partner they're recording instead of helping you. Watch out. Put your phone away fast.
How often do you do this?
Watch out that neck light.
3-4 times a day.
Oh yeah, that's the seamoss farm. On that rope, they have the smaller ropes. Like that one. Right? You just break a piece. It don't matter what size or what, it depends on you. And they'll just tie it on there. So the warmer the water, the longer it takes to cook. And it also determines the color of the seamoss. So the seamoss in the warmer water is a lot more brighter than the ones in the cold water. That one
water, scent is in the back. We're still in the water. Scent is in the back. Where's scent? In the back. Cherick had to pull our kayak because I was just not staying the right way. We end up turning to go to the opposite direction and all kind of things. So yeah. The kayaking skills aren't here at all. Kayaking skills aren't here, so Cherick is pulling my kayak. That's what friends are for.
I realized my co-host didn't introduce me earlier. My name is Cherick Lawrence and this is Loop Adventures. So we're on Palmis Island.
No, Poale Island. We're on Poale Island.
We're on Poale Island. So far we've seen a beautiful male whiptail lizard. The blue was so vibrant in its tail. We just saw a female. Sharine wasn't impressed. No. Just to show you, we dominate somewhere, fellas.
So we actually got to see the seamoss farm. We got a little briefing of how the seamoss is cultivated and all of that. So it has been a very, very great experience right here on Poale Island in Poale with kayak on the bay.
I just want you all to know it's going to be somewhere, either before, during, or somewhere in the video. And I would like you all to know Sharine got us stuck. So again, I had to be pulling both her and the kayak.
That's what friends are for. To pull your kayak when you can't do it. That's what friends are for.
And it's not light, people. It's not light.
And that's what friends are. Say for.
Never.
We founded Kayak on the Bay in 2017, in the year of 2017, but we were small scale. We're now expanding our product and we're doing hikes, camping, aquaventure, where you get to lift your fish pots and, you know, cook your food and your fish on the island.
The hike has been hiking. I am not a good hiker, I will say that, because my fitness level is at 0. So I'm here walking by myself in the middle of nowhere. Can't seem to find the crew. They walked ahead of me, but I'm not sure where I'm going to. Hopefully I'm not lost and I can find my way. But this looks pretty though. The view here is view win. Yeah, 2024 is not the year of hiking for me. But that was not a strenuous hike. It was about what? 6 minutes, 6 to 10 minutes, depending on your fitness level. So it wasn't that bad. I'm just really thirsty and I'm ready to drink the seawater at this point.
So across here is the reef. There is no boat passage to the
Bay?
left side of the bay because of the reefs. When you go across this peninsula right there's a cave under this peninsula, and then you walk across the reef. You get there's a sugar mill just on the beach at the front there's an old cemetery. There are 2 smaller beaches called Titugua and Gotugua. They're shallow, similar to this bay. They're very shallow. Just like this, you can basically walk as far as you can. Prana used to be the main port for St. Lucia, and a lot of activity was happening here. Right, there are sunken ships out on the east coast as well. People come to dive it from all over. Divers come to dive it.
So Cherick and Dean fell off their kayaks. They're literally struggling to try to get back on. So Cherick, my friend, what happened? Because you're soaked, as if the kayak capsized you.
Okay. So as the experienced journalist on this tour, so people, all I could tell y'all, when you kayaking with someone else, the two of y'all have to be in sync in terms of how y'all row. And today's what do you call it? Turnover was brought to you by unthinkingness. Basically you will not sink it or roaring, so we toppled over. But of course I could swim, so it wasn't much of a big deal. As you could see, both had to pull us, had to play Superman role. Y'all can call me Clark Kent. Take out the glasses. You know?
Ken Clark.
Clark Kent.
Okay. I'm not watching.
Again, people, let's go past my troubles and let's look at what my co-host just said. Who is Ken Clark?
So the kayak adventure was wonderful. We had fun. Cherick got soaked, but apart from that, everything was wonderful. So we're here at Kayak on the Bay. Make sure you check them out in Poile. And in the meantime, follow us on all social media platforms at Loop St. Lucia. Check out our website at stlucia.loopnews.com and download the Loop app in the Play Store. See you guys next time. Bye.